Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? I sincerely hope that each and every one of you is doing absolutely wonderfully fine. So my dear friends, the video is indeed coming out quite a bit late today, but I promise you that from this moment onwards, videos will be consistently regular here on this channel. We can certainly aim to do at least one comprehensive session daily on YouTube. Therefore, today I will carefully select a few effective strategies and endeavor to thoroughly explain their underlying logic and principles to you all. Let me see where I take a trade, okay? So guys, I want to tell you that this is not financial advice. If you want to do trading, do it at your own risk, all right? Trading is a very risky thing, and it's not something where you can make a lot of money in just one day. All right, guys, so trading is a business, not gambling or something like that. If you treat it like a business, then there's a certain percentage you should aim for, and taking profit at that percentage is the right thing to do. If you get too greedy, it can be very dangerous. Okay, so first of all, let's start something here in the video. Okay guys, so now we're about to place some trades here. For the next candle, we can take a trade in the downward direction because the trend here is moving downward. So I'll wait a little and try to place a trade for a downward move. Alright guys, so I'll wait here for a bit. And I want to see a proper accurate level so that our trade is placed precisely right there. Exactly. Okay guys. So here I have traced for a downward move. Okay, so I think the market can go a little further down because the current trend of the market is moving downward. So there won't be any green movement here right now because only after a green movement forms can there be a slight bullish moment in the market. But for now, we have a bearish movement and we will take advantage of that and trade accordingly, following the trend that is happening here. Right? Why should we go against the trend? If we go against the trend, it can be dangerous for us. Whenever there is a trend, the market moves in the same direction as the trend. Like if the market is going up and the trend is upward, then the market can go even higher. So we will trade in the upward direction because the trend is our friend. Okay guys, so this trend here has become profitable for us. Okay guys, so now I will try to place more trades here. Let me check the second chart here. So what's happening here is that the momentum is greenish. So if the market forms this red candle here and shows a slightly lower red candle, a low red candle means that the pressure in the red candle is less. So it can be a possibility that the market might go further up and form another green candle. The market is on the upside. So if this candle even a little bit forms a low red candle, then we can take a trade in our direction. Otherwise, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here, okay? Okay guys, so I think it's right to take a trade for the upward direction here because the market has formed a green candle here. So here, it's a bit like the market wants to go in the upward direction, right? Because the volume in the market is more on the green side. Here, it should have turned red. The market did come down a bit, but suddenly it shot up and formed a green candle. That means the market wants to go in the upward direction. That's why we've taken one upward trade here. So guys, let's wait. It could be a green candle, so let's wait guys. So whenever we place a trade, if we feel there's a trend and we place our trade according to that trend, there's a much higher probability that the market will move in that direction. Most people, however, set levels and then take retracement or reverse trades. Alright, but whenever we take a reverse trade, what happens is that instead of making a profit, we end up making a loss. So whenever you take a reversal trade, there are always such possibilities. In OTC, you might lose here, but if you trade in OTC, alright, whether it's Pocket Option or Quotex or any other platform. I'm not telling you that you should only use Pocket Option. You can do this on any platform. Alright, so whenever you are trading, you absolutely need to follow the proper and established trend. Alright, so I'm just showing you things. I'm not recommending anything to you at all. If you want to get into trading, that's your own decision because I'm just showing you this tutorial to demonstrate how I trade. Alright, so in this video, you don't need to follow what I'm doing, okay? I'm not telling you to do things this way. Alright, so now I'll try to take some more trades. So first, I'll set this level here and I'll place this one here. Alright, so our entire scenario is based on this candle. If this forms a green candle, then there's a chance to take another trade here for an upward move. Otherwise, if it closes with a bit of a wick, if the candle closes with a bit of a wick, then I will take a trade for the downward direction. So let's wait guys and see what happens here. If a green candle forms and it's a strong bullish candle, then we can go for an upward trade. Otherwise, we will consider a downward trade because here the market can also move to the downside. Okay, so I think the market will move upward here. So we can consider a green candle. So I meticulously took a trade for an upward direction. Guys, from the precise level we've clearly marked here, if the market indeed comes down, I will certainly consider taking another trade for the upward direction. Okay, if it comes down just a bit more, I genuinely wanted to come very near this specific level. Our crucial level is just below here. Here, I can confidently place one more additional trade for the upward direction. Alright, there's no rush, there's no hurry. Let's see guys, because now this is not the OTC market. So wait everyone, for a moment guys. So I think this will form a green candle, but let's see anyway. Let's see what happens. Okay, so guys, this trade has been referred. It was neither profitable nor a loss. Alright, it got referred because our comprehensive trade analysis was indeed correct overall. The specific trade executed here. No worries at all. Let's kindly take a closer look at another interesting chart, okay? Let's take a look at CAD CHF. So guys, I'm going to trade on this for a downward move because our trend is still towards the downside. Alright, so I'll mark this level. This is just one of our exciting levels, and this is indeed the other one, a completely different experience. We can go for a down, I think. Because I don't think there's going to be any bullish movement here. Alright guys, so I've placed one downward trade here. I don't think so. There could be any bullish movement here. The market is coming downwards very clearly and smoothly. The psychology people might have here is that the market will go up and retrace. Alright, so to break that psychology, what will happen in the OTC market? The market will go downwards, alright? So let's wait guys. Okay. So it should be a red candle guys. So let's wait and see what happens here. If this candle of ours turns out red-green and closes with a wick, so we can consider our next trade in the downward direction. Because it can be a retracement candle for us, so let's read guys. Okay, so I have placed two trades here for the down mode, just as I told you, alright? Because it can be a retracement candle guys. Alright, so let's wait. Since our level is above, so the chances of the market going up are low and our level is on the downside. There are significantly higher chances of this particular level being touched, so it can potentially be a strong red candle also. So that's precisely why we absolutely must put a down trade. Okay, let's patiently wait guys and observe the market's movement carefully. Even now at this very moment, we are doing things within the market with inherent risk because truly trading is a profoundly risky business, right? The specific amount I'm genuinely afraid to lose, that particular sum, I simply cannot invest. Alright, I can only responsibly invest what I'm not afraid to potentially lose. Okay, so you can see our trade here has become profitable. Guys, this is how the trading business works. If in some moments it turns green here, then our trade doesn't become profitable. The trade is fine. But now we are in a profit. So it's not necessary that if you follow these things, price action, you'll also become profitable. But trading is like a deeply knowledgeable and intricate endeavor. You have to comprehend the various market levels and their significance. You have to understand critically strong support and resistance levels and the crucial role of trading volume as well. Furthermore, one must thoroughly understand the intricate aspects of market psychology as well. It is imperative that you can achieve something in trading, but I'm not saying that you'll immediately start trading perfectly here. You'll start to understand some things bit by bit. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.